Hi, this is MK Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel MK Trader. This channel is created for an educational purpose. Here I am going to share my knowledge about technical analysis, that is the price action trading. I am not a SEBI registered person. If you want to take trade based on my analysis, please keep the stop loss and take the trades, or else conduct your own analysis and take the trades. If you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the like button and share my videos, and subscribe my Telegram channel also, link in description. And once again, welcome to daily market review. There is 27th May, last expiry day. So monthly expiry. In my previous review, this is the Nifty chart. In my previous review, I am already explained Nifty traded in a range between 14,200 to 15,300. Now I am expected another bullish price action in Nifty, because Nifty price created an ascending channel. This channel started here, so now this is the lower leg of the channel. So price traded at the resistance area, so we expect some little push to the downside and then another move to this upper leg of the channel. So I expected tomorrow price facing some resistance here. This is the daily resistance, daily level resistance. So I expected some little move to the downside, or if price break this area around 15,300, 330, then we expect another bullish move on Nifty. This is the hour 4 chart. Now in hour 1, price Nifty expected a range between 15,300 to 15,100 level. So tomorrow, if price break this range, just a minute, in 15 minutes time frame, price traded in a range. So this range if break below, then we expect another pull back to this trend line, that is 15,100 level. This is the support zone. So we expect a range in Nifty in hour 1 range, or if price break this trend line around 15,330 level, so expected another bullish move on Nifty. I find this channel in 15 minutes time frame might be price move within this channel, so expected a range in Nifty. If price break this above this 15,300, then another bullish move on Nifty. That's all for Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty chart, hour 4 chart. In this hour 4 chart, I expect some pullback to this zone, but not happened yet. So we expected a little down move on Bank Nifty. If price hit this area, if you find any clear rejection candle, then we go for long opportunity in Bank Nifty. So I expected little bit of correction up to this zone around 34,100 to 200 area. So tomorrow directional bias in hourly time frame. in hourly time frame, price make some ranges here, so expected another move to this zone around 34,100 to 34,200 area. Bank Nifty in 15 minutes time frame, so I find this channel, this is the descending channel, so expected this another down move on Bank Nifty, because here price makes a range here. Now this range break below, so we expected another bearish move for intraday purpose. This bearish move we expected up to this area, first target and second. If price break above this trend line, then expected another bullish move up to this zone. But price is already breaking this range. It's clear in 5 minutes. 1 second. See here. This range is already broken downside, so we expected a pullback up to this zone. Below this trend line, market bearish. If price break above this trend line, we expect a bullish move on Bank Nifty. In my view, I expect some bearish move tomorrow in Bank Nifty until this range. If price open gap up above this trend line, then only we expect a bullish move. So price action right now it indicating a bearish move on Nifty, Bank Nifty. Tomorrow morning before market open, I will post Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis chart in my Telegram channel. And if you find any entries in option trading, I am an option buyer. Entries I will definitely mention in my Telegram channel. Entry on stop loss and exit and target also. And thank you for watching. Have a profitable expiry day, that's tomorrow. Thank you.